and field worldwide. The athletes at the center of this shift are some of Jamaica's most promising. Jaydon Hibbert, world under-20 triple jump record holder, was expected to be Jamaica's next field event superstar. Wayne Pinnock, a world championship silver medalist in the long jump, has already proven himself on the global stage. Roje Stona and Rajindra Campbell, rising stars in discus and shot put, round out the group. These four aren't just talented, they were the backbone of Jamaica's future Olympic and World Championship hopes. Their potential departure is a major blow, signaling a possible talent drain. For Turkey, it's a strategic move to boost their international profile. For Jamaica, it's a challenge to its athletic identity and a test of its ability to keep its best at home. The world is watching to see what happens next. The main driver behind these switches? Financial security. Turkey is reportedly offering signing bonuses, monthly stipends, and performance-based rewards. An irresistible package for young athletes. For many, this means freedom from financial stress, and the ability to focus solely on training. In a sport where income is unpredictable and careers are short, guaranteed support is life-changing. The Turkish offer isn't just about money, it's about stability, family, and a future beyond sport. For athletes like Hibbert and Pinnock, it's a chance to turn passion into a sustainable profession. Jamaica's limited resources can't always compete with such offers. The decision is tough, but the financial realities are impossible to ignore. This is the new economics of global athletics. In Jamaica, the news has sparked a mix of disappointment and understanding. Many fans feel betrayed, seeing the move as a rejection of national pride, but others, including coaches and fellow athletes, recognize the harsh financial realities these stars face. The debate rages on social media and in the streets. Should Jamaica do more to support its athletes, or is this simply the new normal? Some argue the JIA must step up, others say Jamaica can't match Turkey's resources. The athletes themselves remain mostly silent, letting their actions speak. Their transition is awkward, but for many, it's a necessary step. The situation exposes the tension between national pride and personal opportunity. Jamaica now faces tough questions about how to keep its heroes at home. Jamaica's situation is part of a global trend, wealthier nations recruiting talent from abroad. This plastic patriotism raises questions about the true meaning of international competition. Are medals now a contest of national budgets rather than national pride? For Jamaica, the challenge is clear. How to retain talent in a world where money talks. Solutions may include better funding, sponsorships, and support for athletes. The departure of these stars could be a turning point, forcing Jamaica to rethink its approach. The nation's legacy is strong, but the future depends on adapting to new realities. The world will be watching as Jamaica navigates this new era in track and field.